Today we're going to discuss the teacher backpack and how to customize it for your classrooms. First, I want you to locate the backpack on the bottom part. It says Teacher Console. Once you go there, you'll see that your classes are listed that you're teaching, and it also lists the students for those classes, how many students you have in those classes. You'll also see there's applications over to the right. If you click on a class, you can use announcements by clicking on the megaphone, or we're going to go to apps. To add an application, you would just click on Add New App, and you can customize the apps for this classroom to fit that classroom's needs. So if you wanted to add Huda Math to this classroom, and only this class, you could add Huda Math, it'll show up there. The applications with locks on them were given to you by the district, so you can't remove those. But you could remove any app that you have added. The next thing is the discussion boards. The announcements and discussion boards I would use for in Schoology, not in your portal. For the students, each student is listed separately, and you can click on the right-hand side and see each individual student's information. You can see how they've logged in, how many times they've logged in, what applications they're using, how long they've spent on those applications. You can even see that the dates that they've used. And then that last information tab is just their personal information in the school district. The logins tab will allow you to see the students that are logged in. As you can see, there are check marks that says that that student has logged in for that day. Time and app allows you to click on and see how many hours a student or minutes a student has been in an application. So this student was logged in for an hour. We can see how they were logged in for Schoology for most of this. Here we can see that the student was logged into Schoology for over 2 hours. And this is broken down for every student in this class. Now, I would not use just this data when talking with parents or your students, but use this data combined with the Schoology analytics. Here you can see how many students or the percentage of students that logged in to the class for that day. And then it goes back to that student tab. This is your app portal console.